This video is going to be on replacing the front wheel of the Scag Freedom Z or other Scag lawnmowers. A common problem is these front wheels going flat. So I'm going to replace mine with these tires from NoAir products. They're a solid tire with that won't go flat anymore. So I'll have a product link in the description down below if you're interested in picking up a set for yourself. You'll need some grease to lube the bearing, the shaft here when we're done. And then for my Freedom Z here, I need some 3/4 inch ratchets and wrenches to start taking this apart. So we'll open up the box from NoAir and see what's inside, and then start changing these out. Here's the tire. This is a 4x11x5 for my Scag Freedom Z. They make a few different other sizes as well. This is what I need for my mower. I may list some other sizes down below for other Scag mowers if you need a different size. So you have the two wheels. Then these have the greaser here on the wheel instead of an air fitting, and then it comes with a bushing on here. So it looks like we'll be reusing the original bolt and just using this bushing, and should be pretty straightforward to install. Go ahead and jack the mower up, and then we will change out the wheel. Right, we'll start by taking out the old wheel. This is the 3/4 inch wrench here. So there's no washers on the outside, and looks like there's no spacers or washers on here, so it should just be a direct replacement. So we have our bushing still in here. I'm going to put the grease fitting on the outside. Grease fitting there on the outside where the air fill was on the old tire. Just slide the bolt back in through the bushing, through the hole on the other side. There we go. And then just tighten it back up. All right, that's it. Just that easy. I'll go ahead and do the other side, and we'll see where it goes from there. So I'm going to show this side just so you see both sides of it. The bolt on this side. Could go ahead and put a little bit of grease on the bolt, which I'll go ahead and do on this side. Oops. I'll put the greaser facing out again. These are solid sleeve, there's no gap in there, so I will go ahead and grease up this bolt, which the sleeve will ride on. And I'll do the same thing on the other side also. This is just red high pressure grease. Wipe up that excess grease, and then we'll fill up the grease fitting there with grease. Alright, once you have your tire installed, just want to connect your grease gun, and then start filling it with grease until you see grease coming out the ends of the bushing. But I think I'm actually out of grease right now, so we'll have to get some more grease, but that's basically it. So you would just fill it up with grease until you start to see some grease coming in out towards the ends here, and that's how you know it's full of grease and ready to go. Again, there'll be a product link in the description below if you'd like to purchase some of these NoAir tires. But thanks for watching. So I just finished the first mow on my Scag Freedom Z with the NoAir. Says a semi-pneumatic tire on there. It worked fine. Just be aware that it is a little bit more, firm ride on it now after putting on these new NoAir tires. It's not bad or anything. Just it's a little stiffer ride. So just be aware of that if you're looking at switching these out from the stock pneumatic tires. And that's all I had. Just want to give you an update after I tried them out. Thanks for watching.